In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up effect in Canva. This quick and fun effect can add a dynamic touch to your projects, and we'll show you how to do it in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. If you already have it pulled up, that's fantastic. If not, just head over to Canva's website and log into your account. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating a wide range of designs, from social media graphics to presentations. And today, you'll see how to make your design elements pop. Once you're in Canva, you'll need to create a new design. This is entirely up to you, depending on what you want your final product to look like. You can choose from a variety of templates provided by Canva or start from scratch. Whether it's a presentation, a social media post, or an invitation, just select the format that suits your needs best. Now comes the fun part. Inserting the text, icon, or image that you want to give that pop effect. Think about the element in your design that you want to stand out or catch the viewer's attention. Drag and drop your chosen element onto the canvas or use Canva's search feature to find specific graphics or fonts if you're adding something new. Next, you'll need to select this element. Simply click on it and make sure it's highlighted. This step ensures that the animation you add will only apply to that particular element, perfect for when you want to animate specific parts of your design without affecting the whole project. With your element selected, move to the top right corner and click on Animate. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a range of animation options. However, for today, let's find and click on Pop. Adding this effect will give your chosen element a delightful bounce. To refine this effect, adjust the pop speed to your liking. This gives you control over how fast or slow the pop animation plays, so try previewing a few different speed settings to see what feels right. Remember, the key is to make your element noticeable without overwhelming the rest of your design. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Share in the top right corner and then select Download. Make sure to choose MP4 video as your file type to maintain the animation effect. Your newly animated design will then download directly to your device, ready to be shared and enjoyed. And there you have it. Creating a pop-up effect in Canva is as simple as that. Experiment with different elements and animations, and let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.